Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to share a YouTube video on your Instagram stories. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to share the video you want to share. So let's go ahead and open YouTube and then tap on share on the video that you want to post on your story. Then tap on copy link, go back to Instagram, tap on your story, and you can either choose a photo or tap on camera to make a new photo, but I'm just gonna do this because it's easier. And now you're gonna have to tap on the sticker icon or the smiley face at the top of the screen. And then as you can see, there's a link sticker. So once you tap on that, just tap on paste and then done. And here you go. You can also tap on it to customize the color, which I think is pretty cool and simple. So if you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.